MagnumStone is 8 square feet, 4 by 2, and 2 feet deep. What I'll talk a lot about is the hollow core. What we don't have, I'll try to promote that. It reduces the weight of the product. It's just under 1,400 pounds for this block, which is about 40% less concrete weight than you would if it was be solid. It has a pie shape, so we can do radiuses, convex, concave radiuses quite easily. And there's 2 lugs underneath that lock into the units below. This is sort of the standard system. 2 lugs on the bottom of the block that interlock with the units below. If you do a base unit, those lugs would be blocked out in the manufacturing. You'd order some base units, then you don't have these lugs in the bottom. And you have a top unit, and the top unit has the back side missing so that we can landscape right up to that edge, that front edge, like a panel detail. So that we only see about 6 inches of that front face. It's like a panel. We have a half-high unit, and the half-high unit is mostly used to change the elevation on the top of the wall, so landscaping becomes a little easier when we have a transition from one unit to the next unit. Rather than 2 feet, we only have 12 inches of a gradual grade change. One of the things that we've done differently is the end cap, the corner units. Most of the products have a big standard 90-degree corner unit. I've taken a cap unit on the end of it that bolts to a standard unit on the ground, and you lift it up into place. This allows us to take and do 60 degree, 70 degree, 80 degree corners, which are sometimes needed on projects, a unique corner, by just rotating that cap slightly and bolting it onto the end of that standard unit. So it gives us a little more flexibility in how we do corners. When we do gravity walls with just the units itself, and we can add a extender to the back of it, a 2-foot or a 4-foot extender to the back of it, now we can do taller and taller gravity walls that we couldn't do before. And I'll talk a little bit about the difference in geogrid versus a gravity wall, and how that depth, or how close we can get to property line, the advantages of going to a gravity system.